Hi, I'm Daniela and welcome back to my universe. In today's video we will be crocheting this blueberry. It is really easy, fast, and it's a no-sew pattern. I hope you like it. Comment what other fruits should I do next? Subscribe and let's go to the video. I tried the pattern with bulky yarn from Honey Bunny brand. You can find it in Hobby, and a 4mm hook. For the extra details I used light yarn. We will start by doing a magic ring. I will wrap the yarn around my fingers, over, under, and cross. You should end up with the form of an X. Then we will take our hook, go under this yarn, then grab the yarn on the top and pull it around my hook. Then I will grab the yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop. Now we will do 6 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, you will have to insert the hook into the stitch, then yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over, and pull through both of the loops in our hook. We will repeat this 5 more times, and then we can close the magic ring. In round 2, we will do 6 increases. To do an increase, you just need to do 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This means that you should end up with 12 stitches at the end of the round. For round 3, we will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. This means that you should end up with 18 stitches. From rounds 4 to 6, we will just single crochet around. This means that we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. We will start round 7 by doing 1 single crochet. Then we will do a decrease, so if you look at your stitch, you will find that it has 2 loops, as you can see here. But for the decrease, we will take only the front loop of the stitch, then we will take the front loop of the next stitch, yarn under, pull through both of the stitches, yarn over, and pull through both of the loops in our hook. This is an invisible decrease. We will repeat this 5 more times, and you should end up with 12 stitches at the end of the round. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 5 and 6, around 5 stitches apart. In round 8 we will do 6 decreases. you should end up with 6 stitches. Now it's time to add as much stuffing as you can. For round 9 we will do 6 half double crochet increases. To do a half double crochet we will yarn over, insert our hook in the front loop only, in this case, yarn under, pull through the stitch, you should end up with 3 loops in your hook, then we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Since this is an increase, we will repeat the same process in the same stitch. Now we will continue doing this until the end of the round. Once we are done, we will do a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. We will insert the hook through the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop in our hook. Now we can cut the yarn, fasten off, and we will start closing. In this case, I will close around round 8. Not round 9. So we will insert our needle in the round before the half double crochets. We will go from one side to the other, pull the yarn, and this should close the circle. For the extra details, I will add cheeks to my blueberry with pink yarn and a mouth with black yarn. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember, you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Tag me if you try it out, I would love to see your results. Comment what should I do next, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!